will have a cover, comes separately. And charging. Okay, everything I need. Looking good. I will hang it over here. This is my power inverter from solar panels, and this is going to be the place where I want to hang it. I hooked the charger, plug the wires, cables, and the fuse is switched off, so I can work on it. I need to connect the wires B-type, and everything is written down there. NFC reader, controller, a gun. Trying to turn it on, and instantly fires up. Good. Beautiful. That's a good looking panels. This one sits here. I can't screw these screws. My tool not fitting. I will leave them. The last screw goes over there. Now the inverter is giving away the power, and the charger charges, and the car is charging.